Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Pitaka case for the iPhone 17 Pro. It's also, of course, available in different colors, and I will show you moonrise and sunset. On the market are black and blue Trill, Milky Way Galaxy, black and gray Trill, and over the horizon available as you need it. This is a special case which comes with a control button ceiling. It's compatible with MagSafe, ultra slim case with a caseless touch feeling. With 1500D aramid fiber woven design. Really good and really nice quality. Because we have aerospace grade aramid threads woven from ultra strong aramid fiber, the same material used in jets and military gear. This iPhone 17 Pro case delivers unbeatable scratch resistance, ultra lightweight, comfortable and smooth, with a tactical feel and a discoloration. Unlike the carbon fiber, it's non-conductive and won't interfere with the signal. And thanks to amber magnet film technology, this iPhone case for the iPhone 17 Pro is shockingly thin and light, preserving the phone's sleek profile while guarding against the daily wear. If we, of course, need more protection, it is suggested that we use a Guard series case. But this here is the light version, and it makes a good style. It makes a nice touch, and it is so slim that it is really nice. And instant camera control. This features a responsive built-in camera control button, the Pita Tab for quick shots, perfectly aligned with the iPhone 17 Pro's controls, while adding an extra protection. And it's fully compatible with a MagSafe charger, mounts, and accessories, like the Pitaka MagEase Car Mount Pro. With the MagSafe Slimboard tech, the iPhone 17 Pro case is MagSafe compatible and delivers a full-speed wireless charging, just like going caseless. And exclusively designed for the case for the iPhone 17 Pro 6.3 inches, with a polished 0.5mm raised bezel to shield the screen and allows an easy screen protection applications, which is not included. No sharp edges for a more comfortable hold. And it looks really nice. Be light, be lively sunset and moonrise. The ultra slim cases for the iPhone 17 series. Designed to stand out, woven to be unique. The aramid fibers isn't just strong, it's 5 times stronger than steel and far lighter. It's trusted in aerospace, now re-engineered for the iPhone. The Picatta fusion weaving technology succeeded in netting colored ceramic and aramid fibers in one piece, thus making the aramid fiber cases more colorful and vivid at the same time. And of course, barely there, instantly addictive. The amber magnet film technology uses a special coating process to form a coating on the surface of the magnets, this making the case thinner and lighter. The weight is only 0.650 6.3 inches and the 0.750 in 6.9 inches model. The thickness is 0.04 inches. That's nice. And fully covered top, raised front lip, raised camera frame, and LED indicator hole. All here is possible with that. With the Pitaka cases for the iPhone 17 Pro. With camera control button compatible with MagSafe Ultra Slim case with caseless touch feeling. 1500D Aramid fiber woven technology in Moonrise and as shown here in Sunset 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.